If your Minecraft looks like plain oatmeal, you're in for a treat. Let's add some flavor with shaders. Adding shaders to Minecraft 21.5 is easier than you think. First, you'll need to install either Optifine or Iris shaders. Both boost performance and visuals. Let's start with Iris shaders. 1. Install Fabric Mod Loader from fabricmc.net. 1. Download Iris and Sodium from irisshaders.net. 1. Grab the Fabric API from Modrinth. 1. Drop these files into your Minecraft mods folder. 1. Launch Minecraft using the Fabric profile. Now download a shader pack like BSL or complementary shaders. 1. Go to Options, Video Settings, Shader Packs. 1. Click Shader folder and drop your shader pack files there. 1. Select your shader pack and click Apply. Boom! Your Minecraft world is now gorgeous. Enjoy exploring. And remember, if Optifine is more your style, follow similar steps for an equally stunning result. Happy crafting, everyone!